Hi everyone, I am Sukhman and this is my for task 4.1p submission. In this task I have created the homepage layout for the day where the Red King website using React.js and the semantic UI React component library. Let's move on to the app.js. So the app.js is the main file. It imports all the other components, the navigation bar, hero banner, featured articles, tutorials, newsletters and footer. Inside the return function I have wrapped everything in a div and use a semantic UI container for spacing. So the flow of my page is navigation, then hero, then featured articles, then tutorials, then newsletter, then footer. This gives a professional web page layout. Then is the navigation page.js. The navigation component uses the menu input and button components from semantic UI. The header shows day where the red icon. There's a search bar in the middle using, and on the right side I have two buttons, post and login. The property inside pushes them into the right. Hero.js. This is my hero.js. Hero.js simply displays a large banner image using an image tag. It's styled with full width, fixed height and object fit of cover so that it looks clean and responsive. This gives the home page a nice visual introduction. So then I have the featured articles plus article card.js. Next comes the featured article.js. Here I created a small helper function called make items which generate fake article data, title, description, image, author and rating. It maps through these items and send each one as props to the article card component. Then we have the article card.js. This is the article card.js. I use semantic UI's card component. Each card shows an image, a title, a short description, and at the bottom an icon with star and rating and author name. The icon name equal to star line adds a star symbol visually. Then we have the tutorial.js. In the tutorial.js, it works almost the same way as featured articles. The only difference is that it generates the label as tutorials instead of articles. Again, I use article card for the layout, which keep design consistency across sections. Then we have newsletter.js. This shortcode is a small subscription box. It displays a heading sign up for our daily insider, an email input box, and a subscribe button. I use inline CSS for spacing and background color. Then we have the footer.js. Finally, the footer uses semantic UI's grid and lists components to divide the bottom into three columns: explore, spot, and stay connected. It also shows social media icons using icon name equal to Facebook, icon name equal to Twitter, icon name equal to Instagram, and at the very bottom I added a copyright line and lines such as privacy policy and themes. All styling handling is done using semantic UI React, which means I didn't use any external CSS files for the layout or buttons. Each component is reusable and the code is fully modular. Now let me show you my website. So at the top we can see the navigation bar with the tab at the ready icon, logo, search bar and the buttons post and login. Below is the hero banner giving the image a modern look. Then we have the featured article section displaying three responsive article cards with random images and star ratings. Scrolling down there is a featured tutorial section built in the same style. After that comes the newsletter area where user can enter their email and subscribe. Finally, at the bottom the footer provides quick links for social icons and overall the layout is simple, responsive and clean and great foundation for the later tasks where functionally the like posting and authentication will be added. Thank you. This concludes the explanation for task 4.1p.